How much should you actually spend on lightweight safety shoes? Because you've got people buying the $50 ones and loving them, while others spend over $80 and still end up returning them. It's a bit interesting, so today we're cutting through the noise to show you exactly what's worth your money. Product number 1, Skechers Kankton Steel Toe. First up is the Skechers Men's Kankton Steel Toe Safety Shoes at $88.77. What caught my eye here is the brand name combined with workplace safety certification. Skechers isn't just making sneakers anymore. If you want trusted protection without sacrificing everyday comfort, this is worth a serious look. The memory foam insole and relaxed fit design mean your feet won't feel crushed after 8 hours on concrete. And even though it's a steel toe, the athletic sneaker style makes it look less like a boot and more like something you'd actually wear outside work. Now, some people complained about the break-in period. These aren't instantly cozy like regular sneakers. Here's the thing though, that's normal for steel toe shoes with structured support. Once they mold to your feet, the comfort kicks in. This is perfect for you if you work in construction or industrial settings but hate heavy, clunky boots. Skip this one if you need something ultralight for quick shifts or light-duty tasks. At nearly $90, it's pricier than most, but you're paying for brand reliability and all-day cushioning. Product number 2, TANIELD Kevlar Puncture Resistant. Now, if the Skechers price tag made you pause, this next one takes a completely different approach. The TANIELD steel toe shoes for men come in at just $50.72, less than half the cost, and they're flying off the shelves with 300 plus sold last month. If you want serious underfoot protection without breaking the bank, this is a solid pick. These aren't just steel toe, they also have a Kevlar puncture-resistant midsole that blocks nails, screws, and sharp debris, which is huge if you're walking warehouse floors or job sites littered with metal shards. The lightweight design keeps each step feeling nimble, and the supportive stability helps reduce fatigue during long shifts. Some buyers mention the upper material feels a bit thin compared to premium brands. Here's the thing though, for the price, you're getting ASTM certified safety, Kevlar reinforcement, and all-day wearability, something most $50 shoes don't offer. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget but still need reliable protection for construction or warehouse work. Skip this one if you need premium materials or plan to wear these in extreme conditions daily. For the value, it's hard to beat. Product number 3, Tynfi Women's Cushioned Safety Sneakers. Alright, that was a solid option for men, but what about women who need the same protection without the bulk? Enter the Tynfi steel toe shoes for women at $54.53. These are built specifically for narrower feet and lighter frames with a focus on comfort and breathability. If you're a woman working in manufacturing, auto repair, or roofing and tired of men's size safety shoes, this one's for you. The European standard steel toe exceeds ASTM impact resistance at 200J, and the puncture-proof midsole handles up to 1100 N of force, so nails and screws won't stand a chance. The cushioned outsole reduces foot fatigue, and the breathable mesh keeps your feet from overheating, which is a lifesaver in summer. A few reviewers said the sizing runs a bit small, so you might need to go half a size up. Here's the thing though, once you get the right fit, these feel like supportive sneakers, not industrial gear. This is perfect for you if you need lightweight, gender-specific safety shoes that don't sacrifice protection. Skip this one if you have very wide feet or need extra arch support. At under $55, it's a steal for women's specific safety design. Product number 4, Hogent Wide Fit Composite Sneakers. Now, if the Tynfi didn't offer enough room up front, this next one might actually be even better for wider feet. The Hogent steel toe shoes for women and men come in at $50.72 and are designed with a roomy toe box and ergonomic fit. If you've struggled with cramped toes in other safety shoes, these could be your answer. They're surprisingly lightweight, under 1 pound per shoe, and use breathable knitted mesh to keep feet cool and odor-free even on hot days. The Kevlar midsole adds puncture resistance, and the thick EVA outsole gives excellent shock absorption, so walking on hard surfaces feels less punishing. Some users noted the laces feel a bit flimsy and may need replacing sooner. Here's the thing though, the shoe itself is durable and laces are an easy fix. This is perfect for you if you need wide-fit safety shoes that breathe well and cushion your steps. Skip this one if you need maximum ankle support or work in high-moisture environments. The mesh isn't waterproof. For under $51, it's a great balance of comfort, safety, and fit. Product number 5, Skechers Nampa Food Service. Finally, if you're not in construction but still need safety-rated footwear, say in kitchens, labs, or food processing, the Skechers Men's Nampa Food Service shoes at $62.15 are a smart move. These aren't steel toe, but they're electrical hazard safe and built for slip resistance on greasy, wet floors. If you work where oil and water are constant hazards, these offer peace of mind without the weight. The memory foam insole and relaxed fit make long shifts bearable, and the synthetic upper is easy to wipe clean. A few people said the toe area feels a bit narrow after hours of standing. Here's the thing though, that's common in lightweight service shoes. Just consider sizing up if you have wider feet. This is perfect for you if you need A-rated, slip-resistant shoes for food service or health care. Skip this one if you need impact protection from falling objects. At $62, it's mid-range, but you're paying for specialized traction and Skechers comfort tech. So which one should you pick? If you want premium comfort and don't mind spending near $90, go with the Skechers Cankton. On a budget but need full protection, TANILD delivers insane value at $51. Women needing a proper fit should check out Tynfi, while wide-footed workers will love Hojent's roomy design. And if you're in food service or labs, the Skechers Nampa is built for slippery floors. All 5 solve real problems. Just pick the one that matches your job and feet.